beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky, and if you wish to see more of my future videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, follow me around. Social media links are below in the description box. So in this video I'm going to create this look. This is very simple night out picnic kind of makeup look. So like we are going out tonight, so like I thought of getting ready and at the same time letting you guys know how I get ready and which products I am using, and also like how to create this simple night out look. Like you don't have to wear lashes, and like literally it goes well without lashes, but I prefer wearing lashes when I'm going out at night. So we are just going out for a picnic with family at night. So today is Friday, it's a Gold Coast show holiday, so like nothing is happening around because like everything is cancelled, I think. So we are going at night just to hang around like with family and eat, have fun. So yeah, if you all want to see how I have created this very simple look, then let's begin. Okay, so let's begin. So I have done my eyebrows, so you guys will definitely see this eyebrow tutorial video first, because like I did apply 1000 hour eyebrow dye. I'm going to leave the video here up so you guys will see. So I think I'm going to upload that video first. So now I'm going to do my face makeup, so I'm going to brush my eyebrow up later. So just because like it's really hard for me to do eyebrows every day, so I thought this dye lasts for a week, so I just did yesterday. I did my daughter's last Sunday, and today is Friday. So today is actually Gold Coast show holiday. Let's begin. I'm going to use this primer. This is Baker's First Light Priming Filter Primer. So I'm going to apply this to all over the face. Yeah, I'm going to apply foundation now. So for the foundation today, I'm going to apply this, my favorite foundation. This is a Matte Polish by Maybelline. This is really a good foundation, so I'm going to just apply it with a brush, and I'm going to use BH Cosmetic brush number 116. And this foundation is in shade 322 Warm Honey. So I'm going to use this concealer. This is Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline, and this one is in shade Medium Moyen. Okay, I'm going to apply this Australia's Fresh and Flawless Powder, pressed powder. This is oil and fragrance free, and this one is in shade Medium 10. I'm going to just wear an earring, then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm just wearing this earring. Like I really like this earring. This is from Kmart, like literally from Kmart. So like I did my hair like this, like literally messy. I don't care, like I like this. So it's just a fun kind of night. So like I'm going to just bronze my chubby face a bit. So it's a matte bronzer by MCO Beauty. Also, I'm taking on this area, and I'm going to use this blush by Ofra Cosmetic in the shade Rose. Like literally I love this blush, like it's so good. The color is so pretty too. looks like this. And now I'm going to just apply a little bit of highlighter, and for the highlighter today I think I'm going to use this highlighter by Model Co, and this one is Moonshine in the shade, looks like this. And I'm going to just take the blush brush, and I'm going to just blend this area a bit. So I'm going to just apply this one or this one. Okay, I'm going to apply this one like Revolution Glow and Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild's simple eyeshadow palette. Like literally this comes with 3 shades. I think I used once. So it comes with 3 shades: Brow Bone, Crease and Lid. So like literally beautiful shades. I'm going to apply this crease shade to the crease area, this brown shade, but I think it has shimmer. It also comes with what you call brush, small brush, but I'm not going to use that. This is literally a very good palette for a beginner and literally very inexpensive product. Okay, I'm going to use this Zoeva Luxie crease brush, and I'm going to just apply this on the crease area. I already applied the bronzer as you saw earlier, so like literally to just apply like this. It has a shimmer, but like literally I like it. Okay, now I'm going to just take a small brush and like apply this color. This is Zoeva 237 detail shader brush. I'm going to apply this Brow Bone shade. Okay, gosh, so white. Going to just apply this eyelid color on the lid area. So this is literally a very beautiful shade. Okay, I'm going to use just a flat brush and apply this color to the lid area. Like that, and with the first brush I'm going to just blend this part a bit. I told you guys I'm going to just do a very simple look. Okay, I'm going to use this Maybelline's Express Kajal, and this is black, and I'm going to just apply to this part and also lower lash part. I'm going to apply this Morphe's Hollywood Hills lashes because I like it. So this is how it looks at the moment, like after applying both the lashes. So literally I like these lashes. Like lashes makes the makeup look even more better. So I'm going to just blend with the same MCO Beauty bronzer, just little bit with this pencil brush by Zoeva, and I'm going to just blend this part so that I can apply the mascara to the lower part. And just applying the same eyeshadow which I have used under the brow bone area. So I'm going to just apply a little bit here to the inner part. This kind of simple glam. I literally like it. So this is done. I'm going to just apply a little bit of mascara to the lower part. So I'm just going to use this Brandy Wine Lip Liner by Wet n Wild. Seductress by Maybelline. If you guys haven't watched, I did swatch. I literally like this, so let's apply. It's beautiful. I'm going to apply a little bit of more setting spray, same one, Glow Fix by Revolution. And also a little bit of eyebrow gel, just to brush my hair upwards. I'm going to use this Tarte brow gel. Today is 14th of August. I'm filming and I don't know when I'm going to edit and like upload this video for you all. So yeah, I literally like this look. Very simple, very glam, night out picnic makeup look. Okay, literally I just changed my hoodie, like a black one. So if you want to see a full picture, do check me out on Instagram. And my background is literally messy. I have to clean and reorganize my closet. Like literally it's very messy up there, and like I have to like put away my full clothes and prepare for spring. So yeah, do follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, and Facebook page too. Links are below in the description box. And until next time, thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.